Okay, so the restorations are continuing here. The cabinets are painted. You can see the nameplates are getting put back on, dust doors, etc. Did want to show you a little repair I did on this dust door. It was missing the knob and the shaft and the cam. So from a previous restoration I had this knob left over. It was from a locking knob on a Powermatic 66 in the middle of those hand wheels. So it's very similar in design. It's a little bit bigger. So what I did is I just took a dowel that was a little bit bigger diameter than this shaft hole, and then got it down to the right size, and then put a screw into the dowel into this hole here, and then on the back side I just did a through hole here with a piece of leftover bolt from something and nuts on both sides so that it'll hold when it's in there. So pretty simple little fix. It's a lot cheaper than buying all those parts on eBay, and pretty doggone close to an original. So I'll take it.